Yes, I'm fine. How all are you? Yes, I am. Yes, you can start. The last memorable place I was that is Mayapur, and that it was a very beautiful place. It has Ishkon Mandir. It is very popular and very highlight thing in Krishnanagar hometown, and that was I was visit. It was very good and very memorable place. It was for me. Craziest thing I was done, many things I was done that was craziest and spontaneous, but I was remember one short thing and one very highlight moment I was done, and that was it was Durga Puja time, and I was 10 or 12 years old at that time, maybe September October time that was, and I was remember I will overcross railway without without take anyone's help. I was overpass the railway station, and it was very risky moment for me because this train and my distance was very short. And anything could happen that time, and that was my big mistake, and that was happened just for my bubbliness, just for my craziest attitude, and that was I was remember one most thing that is after that incident, my sister came to me and slapped me for that, and after that I realized that was very wrong decision for me, and after that I realized that. And that was the very craziest thing. I like to live in the city, not in the woods, because it's a normal thing. I can because city give me city will give me lots of facilities, and I can do anything. I can do anything in city because I can meet my cousins, my friends, my special friends, my boyfriend. I can meet them easily. My family members. I can eat anything, anytime. Because city will give me lots of facilities, but I can't take lots of facilities from the woods. And yeah, I will like to go woods for vacation for 10 days, 1 month. I can go just for vacation, not I can stay for lifetime for long time in the woods. So yeah, I like to stay in city, not in the woods. Okay, if someone give me or donate to my channel 1 lakh, then I will do lots of things with that, like I will first buy something very special gadgets what I looking for from long time, and I will do something for some people who need most very, and I will buy something for that people, like something as like very necessary accessories, necessary things what they need very much. I will buy that, and I will give that to them, and after that I will definitely preserve or fix some money in my bank accounts, of course, just for lifetime savings. I will do that. Yeah, I have a cute plan, a sweet plan with that amount. And yeah, I will definitely do something with some amount from that, from my channel. I will do definitely something special for my channel, of course. Yes, that's it. I was never ever broken any laws still, but I don't know in future I will broke I will broke laws or not. But yeah, no, I can't broken law because I know law properly. I know constitution properly, and I always respect that. I can't broke any laws. But yeah, I don't know because nobody knows the future, what is waiting for them. But yeah, still I can't give you that guarantee. But yeah, I will definitely try 100% mostly that I should never ever break laws. And yeah, I was never ever broken any laws. Still, I have a lots of favorite holidays because holiday is always favorite for me. Any holidays, but yeah, still I always like to spend Christmas, and I like to celebrate Durga Puja because I'm Bengali person and I lives in Kolkata, so that is very highlight festival in our city, and that's why I love to celebrate this holidays of Durga Puja. Yeah, I like to go with my special person. That's my fascination about my date. I don't have a relationship still. I don't have any boyfriend still. But yeah, still, I want to or I like to go with my special friend, with my special person for long drive in any hill station. No, I don't have any very much secrets. I don't have any secrets. I'm very, transparent person, family person, so I don't have any lots of highlight secrets. I don't have any secrets. If I, take 2 week vacation, then I will go vacation. I will go. I want to go Shanti Niketan because I am very looking for from long time that I should go or I have to go to Shanti Niketan. I love Rabindranath Tagore and his life stories, and his everything I like very much. So that's why I eagerly want to go Shanti Niketan. So I will definitely go Shanti Niketan for 2 weeks. A superpower, yeah, I want to be an invisible person because I can go anywhere. I can go anywhere and I can watch anything, I can get anything, and from any place, and I will see what will happen without me in my surroundings. I just want to see, yeah, that is I want. I want to become an invisible person. Describe myself with 3 words. Okay. I am honest, sincere, family person. Yeah, of course. It's my pleasure, and I always like to share everything to you all. What is my habit? What's my stories? What's my memories? I always like to share with you all. And yeah, still stay tuned. See you again, and please always, I am always saying to everybody, for now especially, please wear mask and please use sanitizer. And I don't need to wear mask right now because I am alone in my room right now completely, so I don't need to wear mask, but because it's my own home, and that's why. But you guys still wear mask, will definitely wear mask, and use sanitizer please for this for these shit days and horrible days. And please always stay happy and positive, and whatever the situation is, and help to others for make their life happy and positive. So see you soon everyone. Stay positive and happy. Tata.